I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cookie Clicker on mobile. First, locate and download the official Cookie Clicker application from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, open the game and you'll see a large cookie. Simply tap this cookie repeatedly to start generating your very first cookies. These initial taps are crucial for building your early cookie empire. As you accumulate more cookies, you'll want to invest in buildings. These structures, like grandmas, farms, and factories, automatically generate cookies for you, even when you're not tapping. Don't forget to check the Upgrade tab regularly. These powerful enhancements can multiply your cookie production by 2, 3, or even many more times, making a huge difference in your progress. Keep an eye out for golden cookies that randomly appear on your screen. Tapping these grants temporary but significant buffs, like a 7-fold increase in cookie production for a short duration. Also, explore the achievement section. Completing these challenges earns you milk, which provides a permanent boost to your overall cookie output, helping you progress faster through the game. One of the best features of Cookie Clicker is its idle nature. Your buildings will continue to generate cookies for you even when the app is closed, so you're always progressing. Eventually, you'll reach a point where you can ascend. This resets your game but grants you prestige levels and heavenly chips, providing powerful, permanent bonuses that make your next playthrough much faster and more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.